अस्सलाम वालेकुम मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है MIM न्यूज़ मधुपुर चैनल में। दोस्तों, MIM पार्टी के सदर बैरिस्टर असदुद्दीन ओवैसी साहब तेलंगाना सरकार से गुहार लगाया है। क्या कुछ कहा है तेलंगाना सरकार से, हैदराबाद के अंदर किस तरह से अभी काम करना चाहिए और इस कोरोना वायरस से लोगों को बचाना चाहिए, तो उसी को लेकर MIM पार्टी सदर बैरिस्टर असदुद्दीन ओवैसी साहब का बड़ा बयान और मोदी पर भी क्या कुछ बोले हैं। देखें इस वीडियो को और देखने के बाद ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें।
तेलंगाना सरकार से भी हम डिमांड करते हैं कि उस्मानिया हॉस्पिटल की नई बिल्डिंग बनाना चाहिए। आपको सामने जमीन है, बनाइए आप। चीफ मिनिस्टर चंद्रशेखर राव का शुक्रगुजार हूं। कालेश्वरम, मिशन भगीरथा हो गया, बहुत अच्छा है। अब नेक्स्ट 5-4 साल में आप अस्पताल बनाइए। उस्मानिया हॉस्पिटल की नई बिल्डिंग बनना चाहिए। ये वायरसेस चलते रहेंगे, एक्सपर्ट्स बोल रहे हैं कि फिर वायरस थर्ड वेव आएगा। हमारा हाल यह है कि अब उठेंगे फिर खामोश हो जाएंगे, फिर आया तो फिर उठे। रिएक्शनरी काम नहीं चलेगा नरेंद्र मोदी जी, पूरा एक्टिव रहना पड़ेगा आपको। रिएक्शनरी होने से ही ये सब देख रहे आप। तो ये चंद बातें थी। मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि आपको अब सवालात करने की जरूरत नहीं है। तमाम जो बातें हमारे जर्नलिस्ट सोच के आए थे, मैं उसका तमाम का जवाब दे चुका हूं। अगर आपको कुछ पूछना है तो पूछ लीजिए। केंद्र सरकार को पहले यह काम करना चाहिए कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी देश को ये वतन अजीज के जिम्मेदारों को ये बता दें कि इनकी सरकार भारत के मुल्क के हर शहरी का वैक्सीनेशन वो देंगे, उसका खर्चा बर्दाश्त करेंगे। दूसरा यह है कि ये जो GST रेमडेसिविर पर और ये तमाम चीजों पर उसको सरकार कम से कम 6-7 महीने के लिए निकाले और PM केयर्स फंड से, जिसका कोई ऑडिट ही नहीं है सिवाय नरेंद्र मोदी साहब उसका ऑडिट कर सकते, वो उसका लिबरल रहे, दें। गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया क्या कुछ नहीं कर सकती इसमें, हर चीज वो कर सकती है और करना चाहिए उनको। भाई टिक टाक नहीं होगा, अभी टिक टाक नहीं करने वाला हूं मैं। आप पूछ लो, पूछना है तो। आशीष, कुछ पूछना चाहेंगे आप?
इंग्लिश में वो बोल दें, बेसिक पॉइंट्स जो
अरे वो
इंग्लिश में बोल दे।
भाई मेरे को स्क्रिप्ट राइटर नहीं है ना, लिख के देने कैसे।
So basically, you have raised several issues, and in particular,
दूर ठहरिए, हटिए। जो एक मिनट, जो गैर मुताल्लिक़ अफराद हैं बाहर चले आइए, चलिए।
After 1 year of lockdowns, we are witnessing the second wave of virus, not only in Hyderabad and Telangana, but across country. We are witnessing severe on healthcare facility, doctors, hospitals. There are no oxygen cylinders, no medicine. Where we failed, sir?
Where we failed because of this government headed by His Highness Shri Narendra Modi. We failed because they didn't had that vision. They didn't plan for this. All the experts in the country were saying that the second wave will come. Those experts who have more than 10 to 13 degrees have been warning us. But this government was in deep slumber. This government headed by the Prime Minister Shri Modi, while addressing the World Economic Forum, he openly claimed that we defeated Corona. Please go and read the speech of the Prime Minister given to Lok Sabha during the reply to President debate. He openly said that other foreign countries were pessimistic and suspicious, but we have defeated Corona. We have overcome Corona, COVID. It is their lack of planning, lack of concern for the people of India that we are seeing this carnage. We are seeing this deaths which are happening in thousands. Can you please tell me if it is happening in Delhi, what is happening in places like Eastern Uttar Pradesh, in Madhya Pradesh, in Chhattisgarh, in rural areas of India? People don't even know why their wife, his child are dying. In Delhi it is happening. Can you imagine what is happening in rural area of our country? In Mumbai it is happening. In Telangana, Hyderabad we are facing this difficulty. What is happening in rural areas? What is the life of an Indian? Please tell me, who happens to be poor. Where is the government? There is no government. Mr. Modi is like a Badshah sitting in a palace. He is not seeing what is happening outside his palace. He has no concern for people who are dying out there outside his palace. In the capital of our country, why didn't you placed orders for that PSA oxygen? It took you 8 months. You take decision to waive off import duty 2 days ago. Your Uttarakhand Chief Minister invites people. Your Health Minister says we have defeated Corona. Every member of Parliament stood up in Lok Sabha and said we have defeated Corona. You took credit for vaccine. Where is the vaccine? There is no vaccine available. For God's sake, what is this government doing? And what are the governments doing? No vaccine is there. We have nothing is left. Everything is in ruins. This is the state of affairs in our country.
You have also raised the issue of GST, sir, on important medicine, emergency medicine, including oxygen and oximeter. It has GST. What appeal as a member of...
Waive it off for next 6 months, for God's sake. Waive it off, please. Doesn't this government want to save any more lives? Waive it off, for God's sake. क्या करेंगे पैसा रख के जब लोगों की लाशों के अंबार खड़े हुए हैं? When people the deaths are piling up, when cremation grounds are not stopping from doing the funeral rites of people who are dying, graveyards are full. In some Muslim graveyards, not even a single grave is being made. A big grave is dug and people are putting 10, 5, 6 bodies in that.
What advice you will give it to central government as well as state government, different state government?
You see, it's not an advice. I am only telling the Prime Minister, will he rise up to his